Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I reorganize my cabinets.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I thought that we could start with the fridge. It is very empty and very bare right now. We just had Reef's birthday, so his massive birthday cake is in there, and there's basically no other groceries in there, but I bought a bunch of groceries and I'm gonna organize them and put them in the fridge. I'm gonna start by getting everything out first. I bought like some containers to put things in and to like reorganize the fridge, so I'm gonna get started on that. Here's the pantry. It needs a lot of work. It's just not very functional at the moment. I'm gonna take everything out of here and then just reorganize this as well. Let's get started. Okay, so I actually ended up finishing really late last night, and then my camera died like right when I was getting the last shot, so I didn't have the battery power to do my outro. So it's the day after. I'm really happy with the way that my cupboards and my fridge turned out. I think it looks really good. Not sure how long it's gonna last, but it feels really good getting everything cleaned out and organized, and it also just looks really pretty too. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment below if you want to see more videos like this. And go and push that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so that you guys are notified the next time that I make a video. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!